Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Volvo XC90 Hybrid updated. Start by confirming charger type, level 1 for home, level 2 for faster fills. Park on level ground and turn the car off before plugging in. Inspect the cable and port for debris, then connect securely until the latch clicks. Use the car app to monitor charging status and set scheduled charging to take advantage of lower rates. Decide between level 1 and level 2 based on daily driving and access to a 240V wall box. Level 1 works for light daily miles and is convenient, while level 2 gives much faster charging when you need rapid top-ups. Confirm whether your XC90 Hybrid supports public DC charging before relying on fast chargers. Always follow manufacturer recommendations for cable and installation to protect your battery and home electrical system. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: pick up some leak-proof meal prep containers to keep your snacks and lunches tidy when you're on charging stops or road trips with the XC90 Hybrid. They make organizing meals effortless, and they stack neatly in the trunk. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use smart charging habits to extend battery life and cut costs. Set charging schedules during cheaper off-peak hours and avoid frequent full charges to 100% unless necessary for long trips. Precondition the cabin and battery while plugged in to improve efficiency and comfort, which also helps increase usable electric range. Monitor charging with the Volvo app and check for software updates that can refine charging behavior and performance over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.